it's me, Olivia, and so today it's my birthday, so happy birthday to me. And so today, you could probably guess what we're doing. We're unboxing another Peachy Baby slime. So if you guys have watched any of these videos, I am not very good with opening up boxes. So, whoa. I don't know which one this is, so it's Ultimate Birthday Cake DIY Kit. Oh, I think this is actually a clay kit. Wow! And I think this is butter slime. I'll check. Scent is interesting. Whoa, it's really stretchy. This is definitely butter slime, but it kind of just feels clay. Now, guys, if you actually don't know, today's my birthday. And if you don't know what date this is, it's April 24th. I'm turning 7. And this is one of my birthday presents. This butter slime feels so interesting.
Why don't you say what you're supposed to do with the clay kit?
You're supposed to assemble it together. And so this goes on to the clay, like it's supposed to be a little birthday cake. And so I think I'll be assembling that soon, right after I feel the actual slime. So look at how amazing this freaking color is. Dude, that's so pretty. It's time to feel it. Ooh, the top of it's very wet. Oh my god, that smells so good. What the heck is this scented like? Oh, wow. 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 I can't get over the smell. Excuse me. I do the weirdest sounding burps there. If you're wondering what this is just sparkling water. It's carbonated water with bubbles. Wow.
Is it a butter slime?
Yeah, it's a butter slime. And look at this. Listen to this, guys. That was And sometimes slimes can have really, really good cutting sounds. Like, I could get out a cloud slime right now and cut it for you. But we're doing this slime. Maybe at the end of the video I'll do that. Wouch. Wouch. Who says wouch? Oh, the smell is so good. It smells so good. So here is the cake. My mom is actually just getting out some of the things that goes inside.
It's supposed to be the icing. You're supposed to say what it's supposed to be.
This is supposed to be the icing for this. Oh my god, this is cute! Mama, this looks like a little cake thing. Alright, so I think now it's time to assemble the cake. Dun, 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 dun. So I've never actually had a clay kit before. See? Come on. My mom's actually in here, so I'm going to come do this to her to open. She's back up.
Oh yeah, that's so cute. I think you're supposed to put a little bit of the icing in between each layer, but I'm not 100% sure. Here, take
You are.
the whole pen.
You are. So, so here we have how
Peel one off of the other. Put the cake on your desk.
oh, perfect. Wow, the texture of these is really cool too. It kind of looks like a bit like a cup. So I think I know how you're supposed to do this. I think you roll. I can't get over the slime. The texture is crazy.
Maybe you just like split it in half. Put a little bit on the bottom. Put a little bit on the top.
I think I know how you're supposed to do it. And this is also my way of doing it. I am going to roll this up into a ball. And I'm not going to do it just yet. I'm going to put it onto this. Then I'm going to take this one and smush it
I
down.
made some on the top too. The top layer.
So I could also take a little bit and it could spread along where I can push it down. So this piece is gonna go right there.
That's the bottom one in your hand. And then look. No, Livy.
How do I do it then?
Flip it over. Flip it.
Okay.
Babe.
What?
Look at the top of that one. It has all the sprinkles. That's the top.
Okay,
So now
so
sandwich them together.
that's what I'm doing. Look, I'm doing it.
That's what I'm saying, Livy.
All right. Yeah, then I gotta add a bit. Wait, which top? This?
That's the top with the sprinkles.
Hold on. Like, I'm gonna make a little swirl to make it look cute.
Looks like a cute little cookie cake.
I think that's what it's meant to be. And look, now I can sprinkle. Now I can add on some of these. So these cute sprinkles. I'm gonna make sure they're in a flour. My mom is just here to help me if I need it.
Are you gonna put it into the slime now or are you gonna save it?
Put it in now. So it's on the slime. 3, 2, 1. Yeah. Whoa. slime has the clay in. Now I gotta incorporate this into the slime. Gotta get the slime all incorporated into the clay where it reaches to the point where you don't see any more of this color. We can't have that. That means that it's not incorporated. So, gotta keep mixing. Whoa! And yeah. Whoa! This made the color really pretty. So, just gotta keep mixing. Mixing.
See it?
Because it was so big. While my mom is feeling that, we can move to this slime that I also got for my birthday. It's called Alien Axolotl Jelly. So it has this spaceship charm. Super cute. And can I tell you something that is super cute? This alien axolotl thingy, peachybbies, 2 workers there. Their names are Anna and Aaron. And there's also one called Christian, and there's a lot of workers there. But I'm just talking about the specific ones I'm talking about right now. So, Anna and one called Aaron, they both named this axolotl charm Pickle, because he's green, but the slime is actually called Alien Axolotl Jelly, because it's jelly slime. It's green. It has all of these stars and sprinkles. They don't change the texture at all, which is really good.
They're like cupcakes or something.
Wow. This slime. Oh, it's so squishy. So stretchy. So drizzly. Oh, it smells so good. Guys, are you ready for a kind of like something called the burping show? I'm gonna burp. Let's roll this up into a ball. I might as well pour in these little sprinkles. I'll make this look like a cake now. So first, I'm gonna roll this up. Make it look like this. And add on this. My pink ball! Okay. Carrots too. That's just what my sister's iPad is saying. Strawberries, yummy. Now let's see what the cutting is. Oh, that was good. Let's check the best test of all. Slime bubbles. That looked really cool. And I want to show you guys what something looks like. So I'm going to put you guys up here. So this slime is not jiggly at all. So you lift the slime up here. Then, doesn't that look so awesome? Then I'm going to carefully grab each corner. Then pick it up. And then awesome. Alright, so you guys, I think I'm going to end this video here. And so, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, you know the drill. Red thing down on your screen. Click it! And click the like button now. And I'll see you all later. Subscribe and like the video.